Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. This box was sent directly from Bemchmade, and I've got a pretty good idea of what's inside, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see. So as far as 2021 releases so far go, I want you guys to remember, we have not seen everything, I don't think, from everybody for 2021. Benchmade, their stuff looked pretty exciting, and it looks like we've got 3 in here. Oh, thank you, Benchmade. Really cool, really cool. I enjoyed talking with them, and I was pretty excited about some of the stuff. So let's check out this first. This is the new 535-3 Benchmade Bugouts. Now, I am hardly the first person to talk about this knife, but this fancy boy is in CPM S90V and carbon fiber. This build is certainly going to be kind of a pinnacle bug out build for a lot of people, and I believe you can pick this up for less money than it would cost you to build this knife on their custom shop. So this is pretty neat. By the way, I will be linking, for everything here that I am able to link, I will link it right down in the description so that you guys can check this out. Let's see here. Yeah, this is actually, it's smoother than a normal. So if you've ever bought a brand new Benchmade, the axis lock, in my experience, takes maybe like a day or two to fully break in after you've been sitting around and playing with it. In the past, some of the Benchmades I had picked up have felt a little bit gritty. This does not feel gritty. It just feels like we're going to break in for a sec, right? But overall, yeah, fit and finish is good. And oh boy, there we go. Dead on centering and no blade plate. This is very consistent with what I have experienced with Benchmade here very recently. Sorry, we're turning up the exposure just a bit. In that their quality control seems to have gotten dramatically better. I'm very happy with that. I've been saying that on many reviews over the last, gosh, it's been like a year. I've been really impressed with that here lately. So very cool. Bugout 535-3. And next up, sorry. Oh boy, yeah. So this is a big deal to me, and I think for a lot of people. Oh yes. Oh boy. Oh man, I love this already. I've said this on another video when I unboxed it on an Adamas. We have a Benchmade dealer in town, and I've always been tempted to pick up the Adamas or Adamas, however you want to say it. And the only reason I didn't is because it just seems so big. And so they decided to do a mini Adamas, and this really cool sort of, no, it's like a tungsten looking coating. I think it looks awesome. And crew wear, not S90V, not D2, no, CPM crew wear. I am very, very excited about this, and this feels great. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's got the good clip. So there's a few different variations of this that I've seen out there. I think we are going to turn it up just a little bit more. So there's different colors of G10, and then I think they have like an FDE coated blade and maybe a black one as well. I've seen OD green and black, and I think maybe even tan. So there's various combinations of these floating around out there. But yeah, this is like a little EDC tank. It's not even little. I mean, I can still get a full grip on this guy. The big one, which I've actually got, it's right over here. This is the older, and the Adamas is still, like, they brought the large one back as well in crew wear, but this is an older one in D2. You can see there, it's freaking massive. This is huge, right? I like big knives, but this is all, the big one, I was always like, am I going to carry that right? But this smaller guy, this is great. Oh, man, I love this. I am so happy with this. Fantastic. That is definitely like, I like robust, medium-sized knives for sure, so that's very cool. And then we have the 4170BK Auto Fact. Oh, let's take a look here. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Look at this. Very cool. I'm going to guess aluminum bolsters, carbon fiber here for the overlay. And what do we have for the steel? Ooh, S90V. Okay, so an auto Bemchmade. That would mean, yeah. Okay, I think that's going to be pretty popular with a lot of people. It's obviously going to be an expensive knife, but the fact a lot of people really like. And so on a Bemchmade auto, you can see there's no thumb stud or anything like that. You pull back on the axis lock. Now, Bemchmade does have some push-button automatic knives, but on these, and yeah, that works really well. Very, very beautiful. Oh boy, Bemchmade doing some pretty cool stuff here in 2021. Very excited about these. I hope you guys are too. This is just an unboxing. The full reviews and my thoughts and all that, you know, the complete collection of, you know, my comprehensive reviews will come down the road in the form of a review. Here in just a couple of weeks, you'll start seeing videos for these knives pop up. But thank you again, Bemchmade, for sending these in. They were super cool. They said, we want to send you some stuff. We want you to be super honest. Tell us exactly what you think. And that was it. That's the way I like it. I love that. I love it when companies just want to hear exactly what I think. It allows me to, you know, feel free to be completely and totally honest, which is always the case in this channel. If I feel like I can't be totally honest or I'm not going to be enthusiastic, then I just don't show it. So I hope you guys are excited for this stuff. I know I am. Check the links down below for availability on all this stuff. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.